Let's take a look at what your options are if you're based in the UK and you want to trade US stocks, in particular day trade US stocks. You've got a couple of options when it comes to the brokers. Now, you've, of course, got IG Index. Now, IG Index is a big spread betting broker based here in the UK, and they offer a lot of US stocks to trade, but they still don't offer the small caps. I'm going to show you a stock that ran this morning from 9 a.m. or just a little bit after 9 a.m. We got a signal to go long. It ran from $2.50 up to $7. That is a big, big move. But we couldn't trade it in IG. We couldn't get that trade, that market, that stock in IG Index. Now, you've got IG. Your other option, guys, is Capital. Okay, so they have moved now into London. They provide all the US stocks that you can trade, all the small caps as well, and you can open a demo. I'll put a link in down below for that free strategies course that's available for you guys to download, and also a link to go to their website. Okay, so look, with Capital you get all the level 2 screens as well. If you understand what level 2 is, it allows you to look at the depth of the market and the bid and the offer prices in here. Okay, so you can see how many shares are available to buy and sell on the bid and on the offer. Now, with the spread betting company, all you've got is level 1. You can't look at the market depth here at all. Okay, now it might suit you, it might not, but level 2 here really does give you a picture of who's stacking up on the buy and sell side. It really is an important factor. So when you're looking at thinking, well, I want to trade US shares, you want to decide whether you want to be day trading US shares or want to be swing trading US shares. Now, there are so many opportunities. So let's say, look, London time is 9 a.m. when it all starts. It used to be at 1 p.m. London time for pre-market trading. Now I can trade, and we can trade these stocks, LQR. We can look at these buy signals here, and this market can push up from $2.50, and we get a red sell signal on the color method here at $4.81. This is a fantastic move, virtually doubled in price, guys. And there's opportunities like this, in the US market with us guys and girls trading London time. So you've got to wait for the 9 a.m. to open, and then you're looking at the market movers and you're looking at the scanners here that we use, and you get these really nice trades. There's about 4 different markets giving us these buy signals. Now, a simple buy signal is ProTrend System green, Tracks green, Momentum Trigger green. Okay, so one here, and one here. All right, this one ran from $5.44 all the way up to $7.13. And that's it. You're doing one strategy in all these different markets, and you're keeping it really simple. And if you're doing one strategy, you soon become a master, and you do well because you see the same pattern over and over again. The mind loves just that repeating pattern, that good habits of trading the same setup. You're not trying to second guess. The colors are keeping you long in this market. Okay, in the 1 hour and 1 minute time frame, looking very green indeed. So very nice market moves. Now, it's frustrating when the likes of IG Index don't give you this stock to trade. They have all the larger cap stocks, and there's a few in here. It's got a list that you can just run through right here. And there's plenty in there to, provide you with some very nice opportunities. But a lot of these stocks are above $30. Where if you go to Capital, you can literally trade the small caps as well. So that is an option. Now, I'm sure there's other spread betting brokers that offer US stocks, but not as in depth as IG Index does here. So you won't pay any tax on the profits with IG, but you will pay tax on the profits if you're using Capital. All right, guys. All right, so check out the link down below. We go through a few trades and the strategies and the broker in that free US trading course. Check it out. It's down below, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.